Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Smithsonian channel step by step clearly. To activate the Smithsonian channel, start by downloading the app on your device. Visit the App Store on your smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Search for Smithsonian channel in the App Store. Once you find the app, tap on the download or install button to begin the installation process. After the installation is complete, open the Smithsonian channel app. If prompted, select the option to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to register. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app. Look for the Activate or Link Device option. Note the activation code displayed on your screen. Next, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the official activation website provided in the app. When prompted, enter the activation code you noted earlier. Follow any additional instructions on the website to complete the activation process. Once the activation is successful, return to the Smithsonian Channel app. You should now have full access to all the content available on the channel. Enjoy exploring the documentaries and shows available on the Smithsonian Channel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.